Today's video is going to be super interesting because we have a very special laptop from Japan. Let's get started. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because as I've told you, in the house we have a brand new laptop and this one is made by a Japanese brand called as Fujitsu. Now Japanese products are known for their finesse and craftsmanship, and Fujitsu is like super popular in Japan, and these guys are trying to come into Indian market also, and recently they launched their new series of lineup called as the Fujitsu CH series laptop, and these laptop offers some pretty interesting features at this price point. Main highlight is the display on this thing, guys. It's got completely different technology display panel, not IPS, not TFT. It comes with something known as IGZU panel, and I'll tell you what that is in this video. Apart from that, it does have some pretty interesting features. So basically guys, we're gonna unbox and I'll be giving like my complete experience and review on this product. So let's get started. So guys, there you go. Our brand new laptop from Fujitsu comes in this sort of box packaging. Very simple packaging, nothing written on it, just the Fujitsu branding on the front side. And talking about the model, we'll be checking out today their all new CH series notebook lineup. And this laptop is available in like a couple of variants and configurations, and also available in two different colors. We have the beautiful mocha brown color edition. Let's quickly unbox and check out the laptop. As I've told you, very simple packaging, nothing much on the inside, comes packed like this. And by the way, this is a review sample sent by the brand, not a brand new unit, so keep that in mind. There you go, our new model from Fujitsu, the CH series, and along with that in the package you get a mini 65 watt type C charger for charging the laptop and a mains cord for the adapter. That is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design and overview of this laptop. First of all, initial impressions. Laptop is like super lightweight and thin, guys. The thickness is only around 15.8 mm and it's under 1 kg, only 988 grams. Super lightweight, easy to carry anywhere. And also minimalists are gonna absolutely love the design because it's got like very clean look. Just the Fujitsu logo on the top left corner, and build quality of the laptop is also very good. Entire body is made of metal, guys, including the top lid, and has like very clean look, guys. Nothing, just a mocha brown color finish all over it. But one thing I do have to mention is laptop does attract a bit of fingerprints over usage, so you'll have to keep cleaning it once in a while. What I'll do is I'll quickly give you all a closer look and talk about the available connectivity ports on this laptop. Starting off from the left side, you've got a 3.5 mm audio jack, full-sized HDMI port is available, a Thunderbolt 4.0 Type-C port is there that can also be used to charge the laptop, and on the other side you've got one more Thunderbolt 4.0 port with a battery charging indicator, and there's one USB 3.2 port available. I wish it had like 2 or 3 ports, but this is what you have, and here you go. This is how the bottom panel looks like, clean finish, and you also have like brown skid pads, guys, well matches with the laptop, some vents for air intake, and you've got some info about the product. These two are your speaker grills, stereo speakers powered by Dirac audio. And talking about the upgradability part, no RAM and storage on this thing are fixed, you can't upgrade them, so make sure you choose the proper configuration while buying itself. And there you go, guys, this is how our brand new Fujitsu CH laptop looks like after opening. Oh boy. And as I've told you guys, display is actually available in two different variants. We have IGZU panel and also OLED panel. The model we have right now in the house is the IGZU edition. And talking about the display, guys, it's got 13.3-inch IGZU edition display, and bezels also look quite thin on the sides and the top, but you do have a bit of thick bezel on the bottom with Fujitsu logo, and at the top you got a HD webcam and some sensors. And here's how the lower half section looks like. You got full-size chiclet keyboard. So let me just give you a closer look and talk about the keyboard and the touchpad. So as I've told you, Fujitsu CH series laptop comes with a full-sized white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is nice. I've been using it for the last few days, right? Keyboard felt comfortable. It has like a concave sort of designed keycaps, right? Feel very comfortable and offer like a tactile feedback while you use them. And good thing is it also has like white LED backlighting, which you can control easily using the spacebar. Now coming to the touchpad, it's got like a mini touchpad just below that, guys. Quality of the touchpad is nice, feels premium, and I didn't face any sorts of dead zones anywhere. It was easily recognizing all my inputs and gestures, and good thing is it comes with two left and right click buttons just below that. I actually prefer this sort of design over the integrated ones. And along with this, as I've told you guys, you do have Windows Hello support as well on this thing. Alright, moving on, let's talk about the main parts, guys, starting off with the display. So as I've told you at the beginning, guys, this particular laptop is available in two display variants. You get something known as IGZO panel and the other one is your regular OLED panel. And IGZO panel is something completely different than your traditional LCD or IPS panel. So this one features like 13.3-inch IGZO LED backlit Full HD 1080p panel, and let me tell you, IGZO stands for indium gallium zinc oxygen, and this sort of panel now is like exclusively seen only on this Fujitsu laptop and is like very highly efficient, guys, almost like 80 to 90% higher power saving compared to your traditional LCD panel. So that is the main difference, and at the same time offering like accurate and vibrant colors. And as you can see, display quality is very good. I've been using this laptop for the last few days and I've viewed like variety of content on it, movies, series on Netflix, lots of stuff, and it's actually pretty good for entertainment and media consumption. There's good amount of detail thanks to that 1080p resolution. Everything looks crisp and clear. Colors are also quite accurate and rich. I felt it was quite similar to IPS panel during my usage, and overall white balance, color temperature, everything was like on point. Display was also like sufficiently bright, 400 nits, which is like more than enough, and it supports up to 72% NTSC color gamut range. On the overall, guys, I was like quite satisfied with this display. Now apart from this, as I've told you, you do have like an OLED variant available as well in the CH series, and OLED offers like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and excellent and rich and vivid colors. So choice is up to you. You can go whichever you want to pick for. And coming to the sound, as I've told you, this particular laptop has stereo down-firing speakers powered by direct audio, and audio quality on this thing was actually very good. I was quite impressed over here. See, thing is, now usually I was like never satisfied with the built-in speaker sound on laptops, but that was not the case over here. These stereo speakers were producing good quality sound with minimum distortion, and I've listened like different sort of content, movies, and a couple of YouTube videos, and was like quite happy and satisfied with the experience. Just check out this small clip, so you'll get an idea on that. Okay, I know you guys have been waiting for this. Let's talk about the performance. So as I've told you, Fujitsu CH series is powered by Intel's 11th gen i5 CPU, guys, the 1135G7. And to be honest, guys, this is not the best hardware you can get on a laptop in this price segment. You can actually get like a 12th gen laptop also available in the Indian market around 65 to 70,000 rupees. But anyways, this is what it is. Again, let me tell you, Intel's 11th gen i5 is still no slouch. It's like a decently good CPU, can get most of your tasks done. Like it's good for your office work, your regular on the go presentations, or business purpose and these sort of stuff. I've even ran like a dozen Chrome tabs at the same time, one of them playing YouTube videos, one of them having series running on Netflix and checking out my mails and these sort of stuff, and laptop didn't lag or stutter anywhere during my usage. You can even use this laptop for your programming, coding purposes, especially if you're like a college student, or you can even do like slide photo editing and basic video editing as well on this laptop. And coming to gaming part, now again, first of all, keep in mind that this is not a gaming laptop. It's a notebook designed for like office and business purpose, these sort of stuff. So don't expect gaming level of performance over here. There's no dedicated GPU. You only have like a basic Intel Iris Xe GPU, and using this GPU you can do a bit of gaming, guys. Simple basic casual games you can play, but that's it. You can't play like graphic intensive games on this model. Keep that in mind. So we are almost coming to an end. Now let me tell you about the battery life. So this particular laptop is powered by 53 watt hour battery, and battery life was actually pretty impressive on this thing, guys. So on a day-to-day usage now, with the brightness set to around like 60%, and checking out my mails, watching some YouTube videos, and doing a bit of presentations and office related works, I was easily getting around like 10 to 11 hours of battery life on a single charge. And good thing is it supports like fast charging, 65 watt Type-C charging is there, and you can even use your power bank to charge this laptop. Pretty impressive, I can say. Well, that is it, our video on Fujitsu's all new CH series notebook laptops. Pretty good design, love the overall look and feel of this thing. Display quality is nice, impressive sound quality, and excellent battery life. Only thing I felt is brand could have given slightly better hardware at this price point, and also connectivity ports could have been slightly higher, especially that USB 3.2 ports. The pricing of the IGZO variant laptop is around 69,990 rupees, and the OLED edition is priced around 74,000 rupees. Links for these will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.